Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how traders should maintain their journal. Yes, to become a successful trader, you need to know how your trades are performing because trading is like a business. What happens in a business? If you do not maintain records of what you are buying and selling, you will not have a track of your profits. Same is the case when it comes to trading. Trading is a serious business. People who do not consider trading as a business and just do it for time pass or just for gambling will never make it big in the trading industry. You need to maintain your data. You need to maintain your records. That's when you will come to know where you're doing the mistakes, what you're doing right, so that you can keep doing the right things over and over again and make huge profits from the ocean of wealth that is the stock markets. So, to become a successful trader, journaling is a must. Let us see how you can journal your trades. Now, a lot of traders ask me, sir, we are anyways getting the trade history. Isn't that enough? We will come to know which trades we have made profit and which trade we have made loss. So, my answer to that is no, that is not enough. Because there you will get some information, but you will not get all the information like why did you enter the trade? What was the reason for entering the trade? What was so specific about technical analysis or fundamental analysis or the market scenario while entering the trade? All those things will not be there in the trade history. So you have to maintain a journal. The next question normally asked is, how should we maintain? Should we maintain it in an Excel or should we write it in a book? My answer to that is your choice. You can either maintain it in an Excel sheet or you can maintain it in a book where you can write. An Excel sheet become easy because you can email it wherever you want. You can do filtration work in that. Whereas if you're writing, when you're writing, you will remember a lot. Like the technology side of things, like filtering the data will not be possible in a book. But both these type of journal will work for you. Because when you write, you will remember. When you put it in an Excel, you can filter and check. So what are the things you should actually add in your journal? So let's look at it one by one. So when you are journaling or taking notes of your trades, first step is the date and time. Yes. You have to make sure on which date you took the trade and at what time. This you will normally get in a trade history also. At the same time, whichever financial instrument you traded in, whether it's a stock, whether it's a currency pair, whether it is gold, silver, or whether it is a cryptocurrency, you can put the name of the financial instrument. The next would be whether you went with a buy or a sell. Again, this is available in the trade history. So you can add that too. Now, the next thing, why did you go for a buy or why did you go for a sell? What was your strategy? Was it a reversal strategy? Was it a continuation pattern? Was it a support and resistance? Was it a trend line pattern? Was it a dynamic support and resistance? Was it any particular pattern breakout or whether it was a reversal pattern breakout? Whatever it was, you have to mention it over there. Now, this is not available in your trade history. So you have to clearly describe what was your strategy while entering this particular trade. The next, position size. Now, the position size will be available in the trade history, but why did you enter with that particular position size? This you have to make a note. Since this was my first trade, I went with 0.01%. Since I had already taken two losses previously, I increased the lot size a little bit to 0.02% or something like that. So why have you entered that particular position? You have to mention that. Next, you can also add some fundamental reasons. If you had some fundamental reasons, like there was a news, there was an announcement, there was some elections, if there was something related to fundamental news, you can mention that also, that this was the reason why I entered this trade. You can also mention the market conditions, that the entire trend was bullish and I saw a good candlestick pattern or I saw a good chart pattern, a little bit more you can elaborate over there about the market conditions. Or probably the weekly trend was upward, so I had to take a buy, or the monthly trend was upward, so I took a buy, or whatever is the reason. So try to explain the market condition. Why this is important is so next time when you're going for a similar kind of trade, you will check the market conditions. This way you can make sure that you are entering trades which has high probability of winning. The next you can take a note of is your exit level, your stop loss level. Now you can also mention why did you put the stop loss at this level? Was it below the support? Was it above the resistance? Did you use ATR, average to range, to identify the stop loss? Or did you use any other technique to identify where you're going to put your stop loss? So make sure you make a note of that also. Sometimes you are in profit and then you exit your trade, you cut your trade. You do not wait till the trade reaches the take profit level. Then in that case, what was the reason? Why did you feel that you should exit the trade? What was the market conditions you saw that made you feel that I should exit from this particular trade? Mention those points also. So these are the basic things that you have to put in your journal. The more you will write, the more you will remember, or the more you will type, the more you will remember why you entered this particular trade. And the successful trades, that is the trades that gave you profit. What was the percentage of it? Did you get a higher percentage? Did you get a higher risk to reward ratio? All those things, write it down. So when you will see this confluence coming in future, you will remember, yes, last time something like this happened, I entered a trade and I made huge profit. That will be the trigger point for you to enter into a new trade. So friends, I hope that this video has made it very, very clear that why journaling is important and why entering those information in the journal is important, because it will help you as a trader to select the best trade out of the multiple trades that are available in the markets. Remember, markets is an ocean of wealth. You can make huge wealth from the stock markets, but you need to know how to pull that wealth out. Because even one mistake, you're losing your wealth into the markets. So you have to be very, very careful and a serious trader if you want to make wealth from the stock markets. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos. It really motivates. And kindly subscribe to my channel, because the more subscribers I have, the reach of my videos will increase and more people who want to learn about the stock markets will learn from my videos. Friends, I always say, you have to keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day if you really want to become a successful trader. Friends, I have a community called Masters of Stock Market, where we teach technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sectorial analysis, management analysis, and we talk about multi-bagger stocks. Here we do not give any tips, but we discuss. As a community, we come together and we discuss about the current market situations and the stocks. If you're interested in learning and joining the community, the link is there in the description. Kindly join the community. That's all in this video, friends. Thank you. Namaskar.